time again. Road trip. Headed to Philly for the Broad Street Run. This is my 6th year running the race. This is your second year running the race. It's a great race, so we're going to show you a little bit of Philly and how we do it. Broad Street Run. Headed to right. Woo, woo.
Greetings, welcome to Success with Etiquette. I'm Sean, and I create videos to help you walk with confidence, explore new places, and live life without regrets. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Headed to Philadelphia, we passed through Baltimore. Did you know Baltimore has a cruise port? Cruises sail from Baltimore. The exciting part about driving through Baltimore is the Fort McHenry Tunnel. It's the world's widest underwater vehicular tunnel. We're underwater. Passing downtown Baltimore, you can see the Baltimore Ravens football stadium. Baltimore Harbor is nice. They have an aquarium, museums, shops, restaurants. I've been to the Reginald Lewis Museum a couple of times. Outstanding. A road trip ain't a road trip unless you stop at McDonald's. Mickey D's. What you got, Trina?
This delicious chicken biscuit.
Oh.
That they brought back to the main just for $3.
$3?
That's it.
Oh.
The cameraman got so close.
I'm gonna get my cheeseburger.
Now holding audition.
Broad Street Run, here we come. It's we just got to Philly at 5:15. The expo closes at 6, so we're here to get our bibs.
What you have to do is get in line, and once you get up there,
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Your race shirt is included in the price of your registration. And the cool thing about running races is the expo. Typically, the Broad Street Run has a smaller expo, but I love a good expo. It's where you can come and get discounts on shoes, running clothes. As you can see the sale signs, they have booths with vendors, and they have all your nutritional products on sale that you can get. And it's just a great place to come, pick up some last minute items, look at some new items, and talk with the vendors. These are nutritional energy products that runners use during the race. I can't use the blocks anymore. They're too sweet. I use Tailwind Nutrition now, which I mix up. The gels typically hurt my stomach, so I can't use those anymore. But these waffles, these waffles, I can eat those for breakfast. They have running symposiums, and often you can meet your elite runners who are actually running the race, your Olympians, your Boston and New York Marathon winners. 26.2 beverage. It's beer. And I got this for free. So you get a lot of giveaways at the expo. I can try these RX bars. This is their 40th year anniversary, and the world's largest 10 miler. So I am happy to be running it. Race morning, we had a 5:45 a.m. wake up to be out the door at 6:45, and here we are at the Metro. Stay tuned for part 2 the night before the race, and I'll share with you our ritual before we run Broad Street. That'll be in the next video. Look at all the crazy runners up at the crack of dawn in the rain, paid to run in the streets. This is normal on race day, and the train was packed and crowded. We missed a couple of trains, but I want to thank the lady on the train who allowed me to hold on to her so I wouldn't fall.
About to run the Broad Street Run, 10 miler, and it's raining. This is my second year running in the rain. All right. This is dedication. We're all out here to run in the rain.
Second time, and I'm going to beat last year's.
Oh, awesome.
The largest 10 miler with 40,000 runners.
Their band out, and they're usually live.
Halfway there, y'all. 5 miles down, 5 miles to go.
I finished the Broad Street Run 10 miler. Woo! It wasn't pretty, but I finished, and it is pouring down raining. It poured down raining the entire race. This is the second year that it's poured down raining that I ran, but this is my 6th Broad Street Run, so I did finish. So I'm grateful for that, and I'm battling Achilles tendonitis, so you know, I just took it easy, but I am finished, and I don't know if you can see the rain. It's not pretty, so I don't have a lot of good footage. But here's my medal! Yay!
After you cross the finish line, they put your medal around your neck and you go and get your goodie snack bag. Then they have shuttles to take you back to the train station.
run in the rain. Real G's run in the cold. Rain, snow, it doesn't matter. That's what we do. We get it done. That's what real G's do. Rainy day. It poured rain the entire race. It's a Broad Street 10-miler run. And I have been battling a slow healing, painful process of Achilles tendonitis, but my physical therapist and my doctor cleared me to run. They just said take it easy, any pain, slow down, and walk it. So the rain did not help, but I made it through it. This is my 6th year running, and it's in Philadelphia, Broad Street Run. Philadelphia is the largest 10-miler in the world, and it's always a great race. They have the best crowd support, but behind me is City Hall, if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it with the light, but anyway, I did it. I'm not injured, and I'll soak and heal my Achilles and just be easy from here on out. Peace. Here's my medal for my 10-miler. It has a bottle opener on the side. They're similar every year, but I always love it. And if you get 10, you do 10 races, they automatically let you in. You don't have to go through the lottery. This is a lottery race. So I've been fortunate to get in every year. So for the past 6 years, next year, I'll be back, Philly. Peace.
Thank you to the awesome volunteers and cheer squad who are out there, rain or shine, supporting each and every runner until the very end. We appreciate you. What do you do after you run Broad Street 10-miler? You go get some grub. And before you hit the road, you gotta get a soft pretzel. Philly's finest, mustard on the side. Question of the day, when's your next race? Or would you run Broad Street Run? Let me know, drop me a line. Hit subscribe so you don't miss part 2 of the video, our pre-race ritual. Hit the bell to be notified of my next video. Give this video the thumbs up and share. Until next time, peace.